Oh.
What are you gonna do?
What?
We're doing video.
Oh, video. The fucking bike sounds phenomenal whether you're on it or not, dude. It's just great. I love it. I can't get enough of that thing.
Recording? Alright, well, I'll either stop by or guys, I'll probably stop by with some friends or...
Fuck yeah, man. I'll have my license in the next couple of, like, I'd say a month at the most, and I'll have my license and my bike straightened out, and I'll be ready to ride, man.
I hope my license is gone in no time. I'll be ready to ride too.
Hell yeah.
Alright, I'll catch you later.
Yeah, have a good one, man. Woo, motherfucking woo, baby. God damn.